Oh, welcome Northeast Missouri angler. I hope you can hear me. It's pretty windy today. It's cold, windy. Just north of the lake. Yes, last night we had about 5 inches of rain. But I wanted to get out here today. I bought a new toy. I bought a new Minn Kota controller. I wanted to get it out here today, try it out, see how it's working. So I'm sure there's some wind noise on that camera. I hope it ain't too bad. But I found some fish in a place we was checking out the other day when I was out here. And so I figured I'd come out, try out the new motor, battle the wind, see how it does, and see if I can catch a couple fish in the process. Stick around, see if we can't catch some. There we go, there's one. Very big. Seems to like that orange a little better. Well, I bought some little orange jigs. Taking the bodies, the orange jig with a yellow tail. Cut the yellow tail off. There's a nicer fish, I think. Good crappie. There's a good one, about 10 inches. I'm not keeping any today, like I said, I'm just fun fishing today. Just fun fishing in 17 to 20 mile an hour wind, 50 degrees. But there's only about 3 boat trailers in the parking lot, so I got the place very much to myself. That's what's nice, if you can tolerate the wind and the cold, you pretty well got the lake to yourself. So far, I'm really happy with this new Trinova. I debated on an Ultrex. I got to talking to a guy. He has the same boat I have, basically. And it's about 90 pounds, and it actually leans his boat a little bit. And I already got the live well on that side of the boat, 2 and 3 batteries, and I don't want it leaning anymore. When I sit over there, it leans anyway. Talking to him, he went with an Altera and has the stow and go. And I went down to Bass Pro to get one. They had one in stock. I went down there to get it. And I got down there and got to talking to the sales rep, and we got to comparing them. The Trinova does the exact same thing as the Altera, just without the stow and go. Other than that, it's the exact same motor. Even uses the same shaft, same motor, same internal programming parts and all that. All the features are exactly the same as an Altera. The only difference, it just don't have stow and go. So my wife and I talked it over, and we decided that, you know, for $800 almost difference between the two of them, $700-800, right at, by the time you figure tax, it'd been about $800 difference between a Trinova and Altera. Might as well, I'm young enough, I can still lean up there and lift it if I want. So we went with that. Well, they just not feeding, just going up and looking at it, that's all they're doing. which is to be expected. I mean, it's been a drastic change here the last 3 days, from sunny and nice to cold, or the world warm and raining real hard, to now it's cold and windy. So it's gonna be a tough day, I think. You can find them, you'll catch them. You can find fish that are feeding. That's all it is, just finding the ones that want to eat. And they just won't hang on to it, just bump them, that's it. There we go. There we go. There's another good one. Come out here on this windy days and catch them. It's a nice one. It's a good one. Another 10-inch fish. Like I said, I'm not keeping them today. There he is. Very big one. Fish. It's fish. There's a hog. There's a good one. Well, I think I'm gonna head in. Caught a few. Caught a couple nice ones. One real nice one, almost probably about between 11 and 12 inches. Like I said, it's real windy today. It's cold, 50 degrees. We got about, I'm guessing about 15 mile an hour wind. They said 17 to 20 on the weather there. But the biggest fish came on this little orange with a yellow tail on that 1/8 ounce orange thumper pill head, jig head. And then I caught the majority of them though, of course, just on the pill head jig with the minnow tipped on it with no plastic. But definitely the biggest one did come off the plastic though. So, you know, whether it's just because that's what he got, the plastic with a crappie nib, Berkeley crappie nib. But I'm gonna call it a day. I did what I wanted to do. Came out, got the new motor calibrated and tested, and it worked really good today in this high wind. I didn't have any problems at all staying where I put it. So if that's the case, I'll be happy with it. So, but until next time, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed what you've seen, hit that subscribe button down there and smash that bell, and it'll notify you when I post a new video. I try to post at least once a week. And thanks for watching.